Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to contact support on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. We should tap on our profile at the bottom. Then we need to tap on three lines at the top right corner. And now tap on the settings at the top. In appearing menu we should find option Help and click on it. Then just tap on option Report a problem. From the menu that appears, select the reason of the issue. For example, I will choose General Feedback. Now we need to describe our problem. When you're done, tap Send at the top right corner. And you need to wait the answer of the Instagram support. That's all, it was how to contact support on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.